video is to show you how to normalize your EMG data to MVC. In order to do that, collect the data that you want to normalize. So record EMG. In this case, I've recorded a maximum contraction on 3 different muscles. I'm going to normalize this first channel. In order to do that, select V2 minus V1 in the upper right corner. Change that to max. Move the red cursors around the area that you want to normalize for your MVC. And then right-click on the channel. Go to Units. Simple. You are going to change the value at cursor 1 to be the maximum value that you see in the upper right corner of the channel you want to normalize. In this case, it's going to be 1.849. And then you're going to change the right-hand box to 100. Your value at cursor 2 is going to be 0 to 0. And then you want to apply the units to all blocks and click OK. This channel has now been normalized, and you can see that the data between this EMG trace is 100%. If you want to normalize your other channels, you would repeat that process. So if we are going to normalize for our gluteus medius channel, we are going to click V2 minus V1 on the gluteus medius channel, change it to max, make sure our cursors are in the correct position, right-click in the channel, go to Units, Simple, and we are going to change our first block to be 1.999, and you can go all the way out to the 6 decimal places if you want. Second block on the right hand for cursor 1 is going to be 100. Change cursor 2 to 0. Make sure to apply units to all blocks and click OK. And you'll see we're at 100. Okay. You can change the unit's name also to % if you prefer. Very easy to do. Just right-click, go into that units, go to simple, and just change the name to %. And then you can see that we're reading 100% rather than millivolts. So you can do that to the second channel as well. So again, we're going to go to units, simple, and change the name to % and click OK. If we want to do that for the last graph, it is exactly the same procedure. Go to V2 minus V1 in the upper right, click max, right-click, go to units, simple. Look at the value here. In this case, it is 3.394, and this will be 100. Value at cursor 2 is going to be 0 to 0. You can change the unit name to % and don't have to go back and do it before. And then click apply units to all blocks and OK. Now all of your channels are set to be able to convert any of your EMG data to max MVC. So if you notice, I have collected a bunch of EMG contractions, and I can look at what the maximum is by just looking at the individual contractions and seeing how the muscles are being used. So in this case, my tensor for this contraction is 80% of max MVC. And my gluteus medius is 166%. So they're working that gluteus medius. And the gluteus max is about 68. And you can change that just by looking at individual contractions by moving your cursors. And that is how you normalize EMG activity to MVC.